Well, we've been enjoying these unseasonably warm temperatures for late September, but as we turn into October and beyond, we'll have to kick on that furnace. But is your house ready? Getting your ducts clean will help keep your house cleaner and your family healthier as we head into the winter months. We've got Dave Meacham here. He's a branch manager at Modernistic, explaining why now is the time to be thinking about those air ducts. Dave, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me back.
Let's talk about this. Why is this important for people to think about?
Well, it's hard to believe that we're already talking about turning our furnaces back on. I was here in the spring and we said how important it was to make air duct cleaning part of your spring cleaning.
Sure.
It's every bit as important for the fall. When you think about your home, we like to talk about our air duct system as the lungs of your home. So all summer long, it's basically been breathing in everything that's in our home, our pet hair, dust, dirt. If you did any home remodeling projects, all that's been sucked in there. And as we turn our furnaces back on, it's getting blown out throughout our whole home.
Yeah.
So a good professional cleaning helps us have fresh air, live healthier, just in our home as we're getting ready to be bottled up in there for the winter.
Exactly. I mean, you think about that, at least in the summertime, you have your windows open a lot, but that also allows things to come into your house and then it just stays inside all winter long. So let's talk about how the process works. It's very, very simple, right?
It is, we utilize the most powerful method in the industry. So a truck mounted system. When the technician comes to your home, he's first going to get a tour of your home to get an evaluation of your system. But they connect the 8-inch duct vacuum right up outside your furnace.
Okay.
When we turn the truck on, puts the whole system under negative pressure and begins to suck everything out of your home. And you can literally hear everything being pulled out. From there, they go vent to vent. They use brushes or whips, and they're pushing everything down toward that vacuum to really make sure that everything is out of there. And again, so you have a really nice, clean home, fresh air, healthy for the rest of the season.
Yeah, it just sounds so nice. So how often should a homeowner be doing this?
We recommend every 2 to 5 years. So if you have a busy home, maybe some kids, multiple pets, more toward the 2-year side, because things do build up.
Right, absolutely, absolutely. And so, and not only is this better health-wise and cleaner, but safety-wise. Let's talk about fires, because your dryer vent is also included in this.
Yeah, so October is Fire Safety Month.
Yeah.
We get reminders for our smoke detectors to change the batteries twice a year, but this is a great time to put it on your calendar to have your dryer vents cleaned. This time of year, we're putting heavy bedding, different things in our dryer. They're getting a much bigger workout. If a dryer vent is clogged, it causes your dryer to work harder. Lint, as you know, is very flammable, and it's a leading cause of home fires. So setting this as a reminder, getting that cleaned, it's going to help the dryer run more efficiently, clothes will dry faster, but most importantly, your family and home really are safe.
Wonderful. All right, let's walk us through the process. So if somebody thinks that they need this done, they're seeing the dust. Also, let's talk about some things that you can look for in your home to know that it's time to get this done.
Yeah, we talk about the time period, but basically, you notice that you're needing to dust a lot more frequently, it's time. Yeah. Or you're trying to escape your allergies by coming into your home. And if you're still dealing with it, it's a good indication. And then, as we mentioned, if you did a home remodel, I don't care what you touch. You can try to put all the plastic up you want, but you're going to create lots of dust, and that gets put right into your system. There
you go. Okay, perfect. So if somebody's like, hey, I need this, I'm already, my allergies, what do they need to do?
Give us a call.
Okay.
It's that simple. Right now, for your viewing audience, we actually have a special. So the average home typically is right around $500, give or take. Number of events. We have a $100 off special using promo code Morning Mix.
I love that so much. I mean, no excuses. Let's go into the wintertime and be healthy, be cleaner. I'm just grossed out thinking about my ducts right now. So there you go, $100 off. Use the promo code Morning Mix to get your residential air ducts clean. It's valid through October 14th, so you got to get on this in the next couple of weeks. All you got to do, give them a call, 800-609-1000, or hit them up online, modernistic.com. We'll be right back.